Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about what are the issues the new generation kids face with elder generation. So first of all, I will discuss some issues which new generation kids faces. So first is emotional disconnect. Emotional disconnect is that the child wants to express their emotions, express their concerns, but without listening to him or her, they get the advice in return. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल बच्चा कुछ कहने जा रहा है और उसको बिना कुछ जाने ही क्या मिल जाती है, एडवाइस मिल जाती है. इसी वजह से क्या होता है, हम बच्चों से कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाते हैं और ये प्रॉब्लम्स हमें आती है. सेकेंड इज़ द प्रेशर. प्रेशर इज़ दैट वी एल्डर्स गिव द प्रेशर टू द younger generation that you have to you keep up the good performance, this is the way you have to do and these are the expectation you have to meet. So expectation क्या करते हैं, हम ज़्यादा करते हैं बच्चों से कि इतना तो करना ही करना है. तो आप सबसे ये मैं एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ और एक रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि बच्चा जो अपने आप से कर सकता है उसको वो आप करने में आपको क्या करना है, एक इमोशनल सपोर्ट देना है. That whatever you are doing, we are with you. Now the third thing is the comparison. Comparison क्या होता है, that child is doing better, why not you are not doing better? So in this case the child feels stressed, the child feels exhausted, that how to perform in a better way. अब दूसरे बच्चे के मार्क्स अच्छे आ रहे हैं और आपका बच्चा अच्छा नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं, वो तो अच्छा कर रहा है, तू क्यों नहीं कर पाता है. सो देयर इज़ ए नो कंपैरिजन बिटवीन सन एंड द मून. They will shine when it's their time. So sun is shining in the morning and moon is shining in the night. So same goes for the child also and same goes for us also. Can you see, these are my 5 fingers? Hope you can see it. So these all 5 fingers are not same. I would say that everyone is unique. Very important. Everyone is unique and everyone has different capabilities, but everyone is capable, much capable. Stop spoon feeding younger generation kids. Try to take their opinions, know their opinions, invite them and get to know what they feel. Then this is the good way to connect with them. Now another impact which they are facing is the social media impact. Social media impact is that they have to be connected with friends, and in this case mobile phone is also important. So see, mobile phone is very important, as I've shared in the last my video, that limit your phone usage. Of course, limit your phone usage is very important, but because of the social media impact, see, parents are using the phone, child is using the phone, so there is no conversation, physical conversation between these 3 members. So those 3 members' conversation is missing. So first of all, try to understand the child. Try to tell them that we will be in your back support always whenever you face any problem, and whenever you think you are facing some issues, we will always stand by you. We will always stand by you, and don't think that we will shout at you or yell at you for some reason. So if you say these words might boost up the child to say something. That child might think that yes, I'm getting the space to say something. तो अपने चाइल्ड को बहुत सारा स्पेस दीजिए कि वो अपनी बात आपसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कह पाएँ. विदाउट चिल्ड्रन देर इज़ नो सर्वाइवल. एंड आई वुड से if 2 generation people, 4 generation people are staying in the same family, then it's the biggest blessing, I must say. So please try to help each other, try to be with each other. Hope you all have a good understanding with each other. Wishing you all the very best, and try to develop self-esteem in a child also, and boost up, give them the positivity, positive affirmation. It's okay, you tried your best, now you try more better. Hope if you do well, that's fine, it's perfectly fine. If you do not achieve your goal, that's also fine. Say these words to your child, then see the magic that the child will come to you definitely. Thank you.